Wow, happy birthday, Yan Yan. Lola candle. Wow, happy birthday, si Yan. Welcome. Happy birthday, Yan Yan. Happy birthday, si Yan. Oh, wow. You blow the cake. Now say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, hi. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sian. Blow the candle. Happy birthday, Yan Yan. Blow the candle. Oh. Happy birthday. Birthday, ma. Good morning.
Yan.
Yan.
Eat mo na yung cake.
Yan.
Patawarin mo sana ako. Kayo
Dan.
ang siyang nakapagod habang buhay. Kaya bago pa man siya umamin sa mga pulis,